I attached the GoPro Hero 6 cam on my bike handle. Then I hop onto my bike and started riding. Hello everybody, what's up there, Vaishak here, and in this video I am going to show my recent travel experiences and a short review about GoPro Hero 6 which I have been using for the last 3 months. I know that GoPro Hero 7 is available in market with more upgraded features from GoPro Hero 6. At a price point of view, now GoPro Hero 6 is available at around $300 and GoPro Hero 7 is available at around $400. But now I'm gonna show whether GoPro 6 is worth buying now. So here starts the tripping.
I'll close my eyes and you fall asleep. Got this endless dreaming calling out to me. Is all this feeling gone? All day.
Soon after buying the GoPro Hero 6, I started traveling to Western Ireland.
Hello beautiful friends, it's a super good morning and I'm on an exciting ride.
From the first few hours of usage, I was amazed with the image stabilization feature of this camera. I could make professional videos with this camera even without a gimbal. When it's combined with the stabilization feature of the editing software, it is exceptional.
All day, put your name on the night. Burn hot, watch us fall from the sky. Break down to the end of the light. I'm gonna take these walls down.
When I got back to India, I did a road trip to Himalayas and used the same camera to cover the trip. The Himalayas were amazingly beautiful. Next is the 4K video recording. It was the first time I am using a 4K camera. While editing, I could clearly see the incredible image quality. In order to make more room for editing, such as to color grade, I used the flat color profile and reduced sharpness in the camera. The camera itself can go up to 10 meters, that is 33 feet underwater without a water housing. But while doing this scuba diving, I used a GoPro water housing. My first experiences of scuba diving was really amazing. I was super excited to do this. I usually don't use the gadgets with precise care.
GoPro cam fell down from the top when I was shooting a time lapse and still it's working. So it's shock proof. Wow.
There's nothing left of me. I'm gonna take these walls down. Don't say a word if I'm honest.
You know, the cameras which can offer high resolution and high frame rates are very expensive. But GoPro Hero 6 cam can shoot full HD videos up to 240 frames per second. However, there should be enough light to maintain the high frame rate. I shot this footage in low light and couldn't achieve the smooth slow motion when I edited. I'm not happy with the overall low light performance of the camera. The touchscreen makes it very handy to change the settings on the go. I feel like GoPro 6 can be an amazing travel filmmaking camera. However, if you are looking for more hyper smooth videos and hyperlapse option, you should consider GoPro Hero 7. That's the trippings I have done with my GoPro Hero 6 and I love this camera. Thanks for watching this video and I expect your love and support to build my channel, and bye for now. See you soon with my next video.
Burn hot, watch us fall from the sky. Break down to the end of the light. I'm gonna take these walls down.